Consistency. Everybody thinks it's hard, and I completely disagree with this. And here's why. See, every great person who's achieved a lot in his life, who's done well in life, has had this one thing in common, which is consistency. And it's not because they have a lot of willpower in them to be able to be consistent for years and decades. It's because they have been trying to stay consistent the right way. And that's the problem. Most of us are consistent the wrong way. Because here's what I believed for years. I believed that either you do a thing properly or you don't do it at all. And that is exactly why I was being inconsistent. हमें यही बताया जाता है घर में भी कि if you are studying, then study for an hour properly. If you are working out, work out for an hour properly. If you are reading, read for an hour properly. And whenever life got into the way, we have our worst days, we cannot do it properly. And that is why we miss one day, then we miss another day. We are not able to just carry out the task properly. And then suddenly, the habit disappears. That is exactly why we become inconsistent. See, behavior researchers found something strange. They found that there's one specific moment in every habit streak that decides whether the habit is going to survive or if it's going to die. And once I understood what that exact moment was, consistency became way easier for me. So I just want to show you that shift that genuinely worked out for me and changed everything. See, तुम्हारी हैबिट ना किसी बैड डे की वजह से नहीं टूटती, वो टूटती है बिकॉज उस बैड डे के लिए तुम्हारे पास कोई प्लान ही नहीं होता. बिकॉज दोज बैड डेज आर द डेज व्हिच एक्चुअली डिसाइड इफ योर हैबिट इज गोइंग टू सर्वाइव और नॉट. एंड द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट चेंज्ड एवरीथिंग फॉर मी was having a minimum viable version. Basically, you decide in advance that what you're going to do on the worst day, or whenever you feel low, or whenever you feel like you're not able to put 100%. Like for example, अगर तुम रोज 10 pages read करते हो, so on your worst day you just read 1 page, and that's what I did. मेरी एक habit है कि मैं I try and do reading 10 pages every single day, but sometimes I feel low, or maybe college के assignments होते हैं, and maybe you just feel mentally exhausted. तभी मैं just 1 page read करता हूँ, and that's enough. That's enough to maintain my streak of consistency. So basically, it is just the smallest amount of task that you can do to maintain your consistency even on the bad days. इसने ना मेरा बहुत resistance कम कर दिया towards doing the things and continuing things and maintaining my streak. No one can predict a day, but you can always decide what you can do after having the bad day. So now that you have a backup version for yourself, but still most people make this one mistake. They take a huge amount of action which their future self is probably never going to repeat. And this made me realize something strange. लोग सोचते हैं कि ना कंसिस्टेंसी जो है ज्यादा एफर्ट से आती है, पर रियलिटी ये है कि कंसिस्टेंसी तब बनती है जब वो एक्शन रेजिस्टेंस से कम हो. सो जस्ट मेक योर एक्शन स्मॉलर देन योर रेजिस्टेंस. सी यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट जब भी तुम किसी हैबिट या फिर किसी टास्क को करने जाते हो, तो मोस्टली क्या होता है, जब भी तुम उसे स्टार्ट करने जाते हो ना, तभी रेजिस्टेंस होता है. सो यू हैव टू मेक द स्टार्ट फील एफर्टलेस. And for that, the start needs to have lower amount of action. So instead of trying to increase the motivation, try to decrease the difficulty of the task while starting. It also eliminates the mental battles when taking action. For example, अगर तुम्हें रोज 30 minute अगर तुम run पे जाते हो या walk पे जाते हो, and if you are not feeling it today, just go for 5 minutes of walk. If you feel like continuing, do continue. And if you don't feel like continuing, 5 minutes is enough. So both the scenes are a win-win situation, because even if you've stopped after the 5 minutes, you've still maintained the habit for today, and which counts as consistency. So basically, just to sum up, you have to make the start very easy, and for start to become easy, you have to take smaller action so that you can have that continuity afterwards. And here's what I realized, and nobody really talks about it. Missing once rarely destroys your progress, but missing twice is what destroys your entire habit, because one skipped day silently gives a permission for your second miss. And that is exactly why you have to keep this rule of never missing twice. तो बेसिकली यहाँ पे तुम्हें करना क्या है, यू जस्ट हैव टू नॉट मिस ट्वाइस इन अ रो. अगर तुम आज मिस करते हो वर्कआउट करना या फिर रीडिंग करना, यू हैव टू डू इट इमीडिएटली एट द नेक्स्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट यू गेट. अगर तुम हैबिट फ्राइडे को तोड़ते हो एंड यू फील लाइक ओ शिट यार अब मैं क्या करूं, स्टार्ट सैटरडे, स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट डे इंस्टेड ऑफ वेटिंग फॉर कि अगर मैं मंडे के स्टार्ट कर देता हूँ, सैटरडे संडे लीव ले लेता हूँ, मंडे को फ्रेश स्टार्ट करूंगा. दैट इज नॉट गोना वर्क फॉर यू. सी यहाँ पे गोल ना परफेक्शन नहीं है, गोल ये है कि जो टेम्पररी स्लिप अप हुआ है ना, उसे परमानेंट पैटर्न बनने से रोकना. दैट्स द रियल goal. And you also have to kind of realize that missing once could be a mistake, but missing twice is you choosing to stay inconsistent. And that is why the rule is very simple. If you miss one day, make sure to get back on track the very next opportunity that you get. And after all of this, I realized one thing is that my mistake wasn't my routine. It was my definition of consistency. And that is where my fourth and last point comes into the place, which is your definition of consistency needs to be right. See, most people believe that consistency is all about showing up perfectly every single day. It's not like that. Consistency is all about just showing up. and returning to that one thing long enough to the point where quitting becomes harder. See, इस mindset shift से होता क्या है ना कि तुम्हारे सर का perfection का बोझ हटा देता है कि now you know that you don't have to be perfect, you just have to show up every single day because that is what consistency is. और ये ना तुम्हारी long term progress को prioritize करने में help करता है instead of just that daily perfection. And once you have this shift, it really becomes easy for you to stay committed for months and years. So that is it for the video, guys. अगर आपको ये वीडियो genuinely valuable लगी, then like this video and subscribe to the channel because आप बस subscribe नहीं कर रहे, आप एक community join कर रहे हो where I talk about how we all can become the best version of ourselves. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed and keep growing.